Mark, I need you to help me look up this information quickly. Would you mind helping me by looking up the directions? Hey there, welcome to Let's Talk Context, American English, idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions. I'm Ethlyn. For today's lesson, we're going to learn about the phrasal verb look up. Now, this is a phrasal verb that actually can have multiple meanings, but for today, we are going to talk about it in the sense of searching for something or seeking information. So in the first example, I said, Mark, I need you to look up information for me quickly. So what do I want Mark to do? In the second example, I was asking someone to help me by looking up directions. So how do they look up directions? It's not literal, right? So this phrasal verb, we're talking about doing something where you're obtaining information. So to look up, you can think of it as to research or to search, right? So if you're looking up directions, maybe they're using Google or a navigation app, right? If I'm asking Mark to look up information, perhaps he's going on the computer or he is going and reading a book. So the idea of looking up something is you're going to search for the purpose of obtaining information. So we would use this when we are in an academic context. We would use it when we're with our friends. Perhaps we just need them to find information for us, do some research for us. And so you look up or you're looking up. When's a time when you had to look up information for someone? Write about it in the comments section. Well, that's it for today's lesson. To learn more American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions, hit the subscribe button below. See you next time.